Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So, how do you allow Facebook to crawl your website? It's dead simple, straightforward. We just go to the admin area, we go to Developer Hub, we go to Robot File, and here you can see all the crawlers that have permission to crawl your website. So just under the Twitter bot, we're going to put in a section of code. This code will be available to view in the description of this video on membership websites. So you can just copy and paste it from there. But basically, we're telling this system that we're allowing Facebook to crawl our website. And that will mean that when you post posts to Facebook, you will get a preview image appear along with a link to the post that you're posting. Okay, so you just add that code just there. I've just added it below the Twitter bot one, and then you just click save. And it's that simple. That's how you allow Facebook to crawl your website. I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.